Hello everybody, my name is Lucas over at Colton RV. Today we're standing in front of the 2025 Brinkley Model Z 2900. If you take a look at this, it is a bit of a futuristic look. You're going to see we have some frameless Lippert windows as well as automotive grade decals that are sure to turn heads when you're on the road. So I'm going to touch on a couple of key features here. Huge basement under storage that is going to be insulated and heated. This is going to come standard with 4-point auto level, just one touch. If you take a look here, you're going to have your Lippert screen protector. You're going to have your fold down solid step stairs, fold out solid grab handle when you're walking inside. If you take a look underneath, you're going to have your Anderson tires with upgraded rims. You're going to see that not just one, but two awnings on the exterior as well. I know a lot of manufacturers will just have one there and, you know, cut corners on this one. They're going to have full awning space for about the entire length of the coach. Real quick, I think this is an important thing to point out. You will have solid sides on every single slide that you have here. That's just going to speak for the structural integrity of the coach itself. Here you're going to have additional storage on the rear as well. So not just the basement storage in the front you'll see on most, but you'll also have some more in the back for anything you want to bring with you extra that might not fit in the pass-through storage. You're also going to have a hitch receiver here if you want to put a bike rack on or something to hold coolers. And you're going to have a ladder on the rear that is extremely solid. It's not going to be flimsy, so this is something that can hold upwards to 300 pounds. This will come standard with a backup camera too. As opposed to backup prep, it will come with the backup camera already installed straight from the factory. You're going to have your furnace and your Furrion instant hot water on the opposing side of your camping side, so it's not getting too hot. People aren't bumping into it while you're camping. Instant hot water is an extremely nice upgrade, and to have them right next to each other makes for easy maintenance. You're also going to look at the enclosed water bay. This has become extremely common, and if you take a close look here, you have a brass connection piece. Brinkley's going to have brass connection pieces for their plumbing as close to residential as you can get. Now that's a high-end upgrade that you won't see in any campers besides Brinkley. So we walked through just a couple features on the outside. Let's take a look inside and see what it has to offer. So Brinkley does the inside a little bit different than most campers you've probably seen, starting with the gold handles, the matte gray cabinetry, and offset very nicely with the tan furniture as well, and your solid surface light bright and white countertops. Kind of like a modern day aesthetic with a little bit of farmhouse mixed in. So if you look on the inside here, you're going to see day shades, night shades, framed out valances, very similar to ones some people might have in their very own house. Here you're going to look around, you're going to see residential appliances and storage everywhere. There's storage here, on the island, and a huge pantry with removable shelves. So you can upgrade or update this with whatever you're bringing with you. What needs to fit will fit. You also have a plug in there if need be for a coffee machine if you don't want it out and about when you're not using it. So one of the biggest upgrades you're going to see on this Brinkley is the room for improv you have with this table. Right now it's in a bit of an L shape. You have it set up with 2 bar stools. You also have a little bench / ottoman here. But this does move in 4 different directions as well. If you need more space, you can think of all the ways that you could use this and the additional space that you have on your desk. When you're finished, you can push it back in. You're also going to want to keep that in for when it's in storage, because the last thing you want that doing is hitting the island. It's not going to make for a good experience. Not only does this pull out here, but there is a latch on the inside where you can adjust it, bring it over to the other side, and just use it for the way you and your family want to use it while you're camping. Everyone's different. I'd like to take a step up into the bedroom area as well. And one thing I'd love to show you, 79.5 inches of headspace in a low profile, about 13-foot tall Brinkley. That's extremely unique, and for you taller folks out there, this is going to be more than ideal. So here you're going to see you have a Jack and Jill bathroom with 2 points of entry. This is a huge wardrobe slide with the sink on the slide itself. Gives you a ton of storage for the inside, also really opens up the space on the inside as well. You have hangers for towels, anything else you want. You have a little bit of storage right behind where your porcelain toilet is. On the inside, you'll look, this is Brinkley specific. They have their very own updated shower. You look at all the points in which water can come out. This is also a one-piece fiberglass shower. There's no points of entry for water besides up top where the water won't be. And that brings you to the inside here. You'll see you have a nice walk-around bed, again with 2 points of entry, a television installed right where you don't have to turn your neck. You can watch it just looking up while you're laying in bed. All right, everyone, thank you for touring the Brinkley with me today. My name is Lucas again over at Colton RV in Orchard Park. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to ask. The number is 716-844-9060. Thanks for coming today.